Artificial intelligence may sound intimidating to some, but it has been in use for decades and its applications are more common than you might ever imagine. Hello and welcome to all. Welcome to the Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, our very first lesson for this academic year. So, throughout the lesson, we have various contents. First, we will deal with the introduction to artificial intelligence, the history, the current status of artificial intelligence right now, where and which all areas, which all fields artificial intelligence is in use, the goals, the applications, advantages and disadvantages, future scopes, and then conclusion. So the very first question here arises is, what is artificial intelligence? Let's see the definition of artificial intelligence by Albert Einstein. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge but imagination. Now here, what does intelligence mean? Intelligence here means the capacity to learn and solve the problems. Artificial intelligence is a combination of artificial, which means not real, and intelligence means obviously the capacity to learn and solve the problem. It is the simulation of human intelligence by machines. So it might have and it has the ability to solve problems, the ability to act rationally, the ability to act like humans. Next topic we're going to deal is about the various types of AI. Now, there are mainly two types of AI, the narrow AI and the general AI. The difference between narrow and general AI. The narrow AI is also called as weak AI. The reason behind it is it performs only specific tasks given to it. So, it implies that narrow AI are intelligent systems that are programmed to perform only specific tasks without any need of being coding and anything. But in case of general AI, these are called as the strong AI. It includes the capability of understanding in vast scope of activities. The next topic we're going to deal with is the history of AI. Yes, in 1915, Mr. Alan Turing, he had been questioned that do machines think? And yes, in the year 1956, Sir John McCarthy, he introduced the term artificial intelligence the very first time. According to Alan Turing, a computer would deserve to be called intelligent if it could deceive a human into believing that it was a human. Further, we will see the history of AI in detail. In the year 1950, Alan Turing test was being conducted to check whether human intelligence is same as the artificial intelligence and can human intelligence be further be converted and examined at the level of artificial intelligence. In the year 1956, John McCarthy introduced the term artificial intelligence. In the year 1964, a chatbot was being capable of holding conversations with human beings. Yes, that was a very great job and establishment in the year 1964. In 1997, a chess-playing computer, Deep Blue, defeats the chess champion. Yes. In the year 1999, Sony launches the first robot pet dog, AIBO, whose personality and skills develop over time. In the year 2002, the first mass-produced robotic vacuum cleaner, Roomba, learns to navigate homes. In the year 2011, Apple integrates into iPhone Siri. In the year 2011, a question answering computer Watson wins the first place on TV show. And in the year 2014, Amazon launches its new device, Alexa, an intelligent virtual assistant which will help us throughout the shopping task. Next topic is about the current status of AI. Like if you see AI for good, it analyzes the satellite images to identify which areas have the lowest poverty level. In the field of aviation, in the field of education, companies are creating robots to teach subjects. Also, in the healthcare sectors, the heavy industries where robots have become very common in many industries, and nowadays they are being replacing the manpowers as well. In the finance field, now what is the main goal of AI? Artificial intelligence itself is a branch of a computer science that helps to create important machines that stimulate human decisions making process with a very high level of efficiency, accuracy, and precision. Throughout the artificial intelligence subject, we will be learning about what is natural language processing, what is image processing, what are robotics, how to go ahead with robotics, solving complex problems, reasoning and logic. And hence we will be developing algorithms based on artificial intelligence. So these will be the goals of our subject, the key points of the subject. Next topic, we have the applications of AI. If you see applications of artificial intelligence nowadays, you can see it is being used every day, such as Netflix, Spotify, Siri, and many others. So one by one, we will see. These were the common applications of AI. We will see one by one the various applications of AI. So if you see for astronomy, according to a study being published, it was being shown that the researchers show that calculations carried out by artificial intelligence can make more accurate predictions than humans in the field of astronomy. In the field of construction as well, for designing the buildings, recommending the safety features and everything, AI plays a key feature. In the field of agriculture, it is the most important part for wheel engines. There are incredible opportunities for AI in the field of agriculture. Yes, also in the field of sports, we have advanced technology which will deliver the best results out of them. In the field of entertainment, like we see many AI related movies coming up, and it is really going to change the entertainment industry. In the field of education, we have a very vast AI and machine learning education systems, and it's going to make the education system very smart. In the healthcare devices as well, for monitoring, for drugs development, medicine developments, personalized medicines and all. So in the field of healthcare as well, we will be having AI on a very high peak. So these are various application images showing various applications of artificial intelligence. The next topic we'll be discussing about the advantages and disadvantages of artificial intelligence. So there are various advantages of artificial intelligence, like the chances of errors will be almost nil. Smartphones will be a greatest example. Manpower will be reduced, machine works will be increased a lot, as machines do not need a sleep and all, so the functioning will be unstoppable. But along with the advantages of AI, we also have few disadvantages of AI. So let us see one by one the disadvantages of AI. Yes, along with the production of the various devices, chatbots, robots, we will also be having a very high cost of the robots. There will be decrease in human labor. Jobless human beings will be jobless in case we have bots in place of them. Along with it, we need to keep in mind the various machine ethics and no improvement with experience. As we all know, the machines will be learning by themselves, so we need to check with the improvement as well. The future of artificial intelligence. What will the next decade bring? Improved speech, personal assistance, more and more systems will run autonomously, the positive impact of AI researches, and so on. The recent update is about Microsoft. It wants to crack the cancer code using the artificial intelligence. The main objective, just like we have advantages and disadvantages, so here we need to check with the ethics related to AI. AI is like a two-edged sword. At one end, they can solve problems intelligently. At other end, they pose a problem themselves. So we have to handle it very properly. We do have various references. I have just searched through Google and collected few references. And in case of any questions, do comment below. Thank you and stay safe.